welcome to today's video. I'll be picking it up from the last video. There I told you when you get to this point you compress. Now the mathematical term is to factorize quadratic trinomials. So how do you do that? Very simple. Let's start with this. X squared plus 4x plus 4. To factorize this, all you need to do is put your parentheses, then you put exponent 2 there, and x squared is the perfect square. X squared is x times x. So you pick one of these x's, then you put this sign here first, then you take 4. 4 is the perfect square also. 4 is 2 times 2, and you put 2. And so you have factorized this into this. Okay, let's do another example. Let's say we take this other one, t squared minus 6 over 5t minus 6 over 10 plus over here. All you need to do is put your parentheses, then your exponent. Okay, then you take t squared is t times t, then you take minus sign here, then 6 over 10. 6 over 10 because minus 6 over 10 squared is minus 6 over 10 times minus 6 over 10. Okay, for good measure, let's do this one. So we have x squared minus 7x plus 49 over 4. Okay, so parentheses, exponent, x minus sign, 49 over 4, the square root of 49 is 7. The square root of 4 is 2. Then, finally, let's go back to this. X squared minus 2x plus minus 1 all squared. What do we do? Parentheses, exponent, x minus 1. Okay, so that's how you factorize quadratic trinomials. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like, it helps the channel grow. See you on the next one.